Welcome to my channel. Right now you are in the right place. Welcome back to my channel. This is Juliet Migwi, and here I normally share with you resin art. And this is the small trinket tray that we're going to make using these beads, some African beads. You can use what you have, and this mold. It's a very quick one, so keep watching, and I hope you subscribe and press the notification bell if you find this valuable. Okay, so let me show you how we do this. And we'll use these beads. We'll use some clear resin and resin mixed in with white. To begin with, we're just going to place some beads in here so that they go in all the way around, not too much, just enough as decorative beadwork. Then after this, when I put them all around, I will come with the clear resin already mixed. This trinket tray can be used for Valentine's as a gift, birthdays, Mother's Day, and you can use it on various surfaces, like in the bathroom, in the bedroom for jewelry, as a key holder, on the console neck, as you know, at the entry. You can use them even in the kitchen to serve some hors d'oeuvres or just some chocolates. I have placed them inside all the way. You can see all the way inside. All I needed was doing is pushing them in, because I noticed, like, when I try to put resin, the beads mixed in with resin, they sometimes don't reach the ends. And then I'll show you how we will try make sure we tap it down so that resin goes all the way inside, so that we don't have bubbles under when it's all done. And so remember, if you can use any color of beads, any type of beads. If you prefer, you can use gold leaf instead of beads, or another color of pigment that contrasts. Like for me, it will be these gold beads contrasting with the white, but sometimes you can do another color to contrast with whatever color you choose to have at the end. So let me bring in the resin. This is very quick. Remember to wear your protective gear, in my case gloves and my shield, and your mask. it's time to demold it. Then I'll show you how we will style it. I hope you liked it, and remember to check the cards for all other trinket videos that I've done before. It's a fight for this one, but it is out, and oh, looking so pretty. Oh, look at that. Look at that distinction. Because of tapping down, it didn't get bubbles. So it's nice and smooth and so pretty. Please stay as I show you how to style it. May God bless you, Barakatele. See you on the next one.